everyone, welcome to the channel. Car Guy Rich here. Today I have an unboxing of a 1978 Corvette Indy Pace car. This is a Monogram 124 scale kit, skill level 3, and this is kit number 852444. This particular kit came out in 1996 by the Revell Monogram Corporation. I'm going to go ahead and set that up right there and get right into the unboxing on this one. Hope you all having a great day. In the background there you can, see another model I'll be doing an unboxing on pretty soon, the 62 Chevy Impala SS. That'll come up in a video soon. Alright, out of this kit we have right on the top, we have the glass, very distinctive shape of that back window, side glass, and then the front windshield. Very nice. Kind of small looking though. You know, for a 124 really? For a 124 kit, usually everything seems just a little bit larger because I'm so used to 125 scale. Alright, here is molded in white. Big bag of body parts and things. There we go, folks. Very nice. Very nice. This is sharp, good thickness. Little Corvette emblem right there, the flags. Very nice. Huh. Not much going on back there, but I'm sure we'll have parts to fill it in. It's a T-top too. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize that. I wonder if that's what those other pieces are. Yeah. Yeah, these are actually T-tops. I thought they were side glass. Let's see, that one goes like that. And this one will go like that. Very cool. That's a neat detail. I like that. Have to spray those with some black tint or something to make them look proper though. Clear T-tops wouldn't cut it. Here's the interior tub. Decent detail. Not a whole lot going on in there. The lower front chin spoiler, and then the rear spoiler. Here are the two front seats, well, the only seats, right? Fan shroud, wheel backings, fan and fan belt and pulley system all in one. The rear end, and a drive shaft. In this tree we have the chassis. Nope, goes that way. Nope, goes this way. I thought that was the rear, but that's actually the front. I didn't realize the front was so much wider than the rear. That's kind of interesting. Not a whole lot of detail there, but it is what it is. Here's your lower suspension. Here's the engine block and transmission. Firewall. This here is the dashboard. Again, not a whole lot of detail, but there is some there. And then this is the rear of the car, right, where your taillights go and everything. And this is the front grille. The whole front basically. Alright. And the last molded in white tree, we have the hood with almost no detail whatsoever on the bottom. And, you know, nice looking exterior look to it. Here are engine heads, intake manifold with a molded in distributor cap, radiator, back of the seats. Stock exhaust manifolds. Sorry for the background noise. There's a big old jet flying by right now. Side mirrors, exhaust. There's always something. What is this? This is part 16, guys. I have no idea what this is. I have to check that out in the instructions. The way it's shaped, it looks like it goes under the steering column, but we'll see. That's just a guess. Here we have a catalytic converter. Alright, real popular in the day, right? Steering column, armrest, this rear spring, leaf spring in that for the rear end. And then part 16, I gotta remember that one. Here are the tires, they're decent looking. Big old Goodyears. I hope you can read that. Yeah, trust me, it says Goodyear. decent tread. You know, got to clean them up and get these little flashing bits off of there. And in chrome, we have the standard wheels, if you can see them on the box right there. The stock wheels for the 78 Corvette. And don't forget, this is the Indy Pace Car version. Here's a big old air cleaner with a air snorkel and all that kind of stuff. Valve covers, rear view mirror, alternator, chrome steering wheel. Had to be real popular in the hot states. Brake booster, and emergency brake or parking brake, and shifter, and 2 little mirror inserts. And then the chrome for the rockers. That's kind of cool. Like that. Then we have the instructions. Here are the decals. Very distinctive looking decals. The stripes go front to back of the vehicle. Around the scoop on the hood and the rear and front spoilers and that. A lot of nice little details for the gauges, so that's very cool. 1978 Indianapolis Pace Car license plate. Indy 500 Motor Speedway license plate there, USA 1. And Bricky Road from California license plate. There you go. That's cool. And the instructions, pick you back up. We have a little book, which is about 8 or 10 pages. Okay, we have nice, excuse me, nice write-up on Indy 500 car. Okay, that's very cool. And then engine assembly. Go down, stick it in the chassis. Wheels and suspension. Pretty basic. Oh, there we go. It wasn't part 16. I was looking at it upside down. It's 91. It's the shield that goes over the distributor cap. It sits between the distributor and the firewall. So that's what that funky little part was right there. This piece here that I thought was for under the steering column. That's the shield for the distributor. I forgot that was even on that car. Okay, here we go. Put your exhaust on. Okay. All those good parts. Little decals for the air cleaner and the little snorkel piece. That's cool. Seats, armrest. Yeah, covered basically everything there. I love the little decals for the dash because it really bring out the details better than trying to pick it out with a toothpick and some paint, you know. Put the chassis and the body together. Oh, windows go in from the outside, guys. That's always nice, right? Alright, rear spoilers, front spoiler, rear spoiler. Again, the tail lights, just like on the 62 Impala, they also go in from the front. And they even tell you the centers are flat white and the little ring is silver around them. Alright. Driver's side tops. And then decal placement. The final step. Well, there you have it, folks. That was a quick one. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. I do appreciate everybody's viewing. And I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.